Hi everyone. Do you know what Renuva is? If you're doing, volume to the face, injections of Restylane, Juvederm, RHA, Volatero, any number of these things, Radius, Sculptra, there are different types of products that are used to volumize the face. This is another product yet in the market. The difference between this one and those is the specific thing is that this is from humans. Basically, humans donate organs and tissues, and so a tissue bank collects this, and this is basically a product from humans that's collected, and it comes similar to other products where they give you it's made by a company called MTF Biologics, so it's a biological product. It comes in a syringe just like any other syringe of a filler with an empty cannula here, empty syringe here, and then you would dilute this with some lidocaine and create a paste sort of, or a filler, like right at the bedside or the consult room or the procedure room. And once you have it, you can volumize the face just like you would volumize any other filler, right? So this is a biological product, so people who are interested in doing natural, more gradual biological filling. And the learning of this came from tissue surgery for breast reconstruction, burns, scars, and things like that. And so as a natural extension, now it can be used for the face as well. And I've started using this a few months ago, and so far patients have accepted it well. It's working very well, and I can share some before and after pictures for you with the next post or whatnot. But for now, I just want to demonstrate what that is. So with Renuva, basically is what I drew out here, so we're efficient with time. The black part is just the matrix. It's almost like the house, or like the matrix, or the rooms that the fat cells, which are indicated in red, live inside of, or are kind of supported by this matrix. So if you were to extract fat from you or somebody else, this is how it would come out. This is almost like the cellulite, in the back of the buttock or wherever you get it on the thighs, where you pull down, it looks like it's dimpled. Those dimples are these fibers called the matrix that kind of drags the skin down. That's how the fat is harvested. Now, if you process it with the MTF Biologics and remove all these fat cells, the red, you're just left with the matrix like this. So Renuva is just this matrix essentially. It's not this. This is taken and then processed to make just a matrix, because the idea is if you get this into that paste, which is what that paste is, and inject it into somebody else, the fat cells of that patient that you put it in now start growing and populating these little holes that are left in this matrix. So now it's almost like these new fat cells that are from the body of the recipient who we inject in, they start populating this and adds volume naturally. So this is a very stimulatory process, regenerative process that causes volume improvement, volume production very naturally. So this is a great choice for some people who want to do biological injections, which are a lot more natural. So consider this as one of your options. If you're interested to talk more about it, please come see us.